This is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, you will need to make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then you gotta open Google or any other search engine that you prefer to use. Doesn't really matter which one you'll go for. Type in the Fortnite APK query, and among the search results that your respective search engine provides you with, you will need to look for either epicgames.com website or fortnite.com website will do just fine. So launch whatever or go for whatever website from aforementioned two pops up first. Then confirm that you would like to download the file that this web page will suggest to you. So download anyway, then launch it. In here, as you can see, I need to allow my Google Chrome to install unknown apps, or well, give the install unknown apps permission to it, which you might also will need to do as well. Then confirm the Epic Games Store app installation. So security scan, I'll just go ahead and skip. After the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In the Epic Games Store, go for the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button, but this time at the, well, Fortnite section. And now we'll need to wait for some time for the game to download all the necessary files. So as you can see, the Fortnite was downloaded, but now in order to install itself, it requires the same access from me as the Google Chrome did. So let me quickly grant the install unknown apps permission, and we will proceed with the Fortnite installation. So tap at the install option, wait for the game to be installed. Then, well, another security scan that I can absolutely skip. Then just launch the game, and the final stage is to wait for it to download all necessary updates and resources, which there are a lot, almost 7 gigabytes as you can see. But after this step will be out of the way, you will be finally able to start playing the Fortnite. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.